In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Drive upload date. Google Drive doesn't let you directly edit the upload date, but you can effectively refresh it by downloading the file, removing the original from Drive, and then uploading the same file again. This gives the file a new added timestamp while keeping the file itself the same. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google's homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. In the top right corner, click the grid icon for Google Apps and select Drive to open your Google Drive. Once you're in Drive, locate the file you want to refresh. Hover over it and click the three-dot More Actions menu. Choose Download and wait for the download to finish completely. It's a good idea to note where the file is saved on your computer, such as your Downloads folder, so you can find it quickly in a moment. After the download completes, return to Drive and, on that same original file, open the three-dot menu again. Choose Move to Bin. This sends the file to your trash in Drive. Don't worry, items in the bin can usually be restored for a limited time if you change your mind. Deleting the original is important here, because if you leave it in place and upload a new copy, you'll end up with duplicates, and the old upload date will still show on the original. Now you're ready to re-upload. In the top left of Drive, click New, then click File Upload. Browse to the file you just downloaded, select it, and confirm to upload. Keep it in the same folder and with the same name if you want it to appear just like before, only with an updated upload date. Once the upload finishes, you can verify the change. Right-click the newly uploaded file, choose View Details, and look at the added or created information. You should see today's date and time reflected there. That's the new upload date. A couple of quick tips. If the file was shared before, remember that the new upload is technically a new file, so you may need to reshare it or update any links. If you're working with native Google files like Docs, Sheets, or Slides, use the download option to get a copy in your preferred format, then upload it back to Drive. After uploading, you can open it in the corresponding Google app if you want it converted again, and that's it. By downloading, binning the original, and re-uploading, you've refreshed the upload date in a clean, reliable way.